Hello action takers, this is Lenka and welcome to my review of Digital Gold Rush. What is it and is it a scam? We'll see in a minute. Just before I dive in, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and give me thumbs up if you enjoy this video. So, let's have a look. What is Digital Gold Rush? It is an e-digital product sold via ClickBank. It's supposed to be teaching you how to trade cryptocurrencies. There's one pro, and that is that you can get your money back because it's sold via ClickBank. There are a few cons. No show owner. We don't know who the owner is. And this is always a red flag for me. If you have a good product, why wouldn't you show your face, really? And that would also create a level of trust that you'd need to maybe start working with this product. And I really don't think any product that doesn't have an owner that you can rely on or ask questions, and especially e-digital products, it is a no-go for me. The training is for trading in cryptocurrencies. You are given a PDF. There are quite a few pages actually, but the information you get there is generic. You can get it for free on Google. $37, I really don't think it's worth it. Even though $37 is not very much, I do think it's a waste of money because you can just get it for free. It is supposed to be teaching you how to pick different cryptocurrencies, also how to avoid scams. The irony, and how to avoid some other cryptocurrencies. Altogether, very generic. There are some upsells. There is one upsell actually, and that is the whole dossier. And this upsell that costs $27 per month is supposed to teach you or show you 7 different cryptocurrencies that will make you more than the average income per month. There's one downsell of one-time payment of $27. There's really unrealistic expectations. Apparently, if you invest $10, you can earn $10,000 within like a month or two. That's never going to happen. And also, they say you're going to become a millionaire while using this product. It's just crazy. It's just never going to happen. Please don't believe these hyped up claims. This is a high-risk venture, and you could be really losing your money super fast. Trading cryptocurrencies could make you money, but you really need to know what you're doing. Some people definitely do make money with cryptocurrencies, but if you're just starting out, do be very careful and maybe equip yourself with better training. So they're also not telling quite the truth about the current situation in cryptocurrency world. Digital Gold Rush paints this rosy picture about how you just go in, you invest pennies, and you end up a millionaire. And that's not the case. And also they quote this cryptocurrency Verge, and they say if you'd bought it like 4 months ago, now you'd be profiting from it quite a lot. But actually, that is not true. Had you invested in this cryptocurrency 4 months ago, you'd be sitting at a loss. So this is very misleading, and I don't really like it. Why do they have to tell you basically lies to inspire you to buy it? If it's so good, they don't need to tell you stuff that is not true. So is Digital Gold Rush a scam? Well, it is as good as. You can get your money back and you get a PDF. So I guess we can't call it a scam, but I really don't like it. I really don't like it at all. mainly because you're not given any information to protect yourself from losing your money. And when you lose your money, that's it. It is your own responsibility. You don't have the support system to maybe teach you different ways of maybe getting that money back or investing in some different way in cryptocurrencies. So I really, really don't recommend this product. If you still wish to earn online and you're wondering what you could do instead, I always recommend my favorite online business model, and that is affiliate marketing. And mainly because you don't need to invest any money to start with, and you can start today and for free. Also in affiliate marketing, you don't need to sell anything. You don't need to have an inventory. You don't need to deal with customer support or shipping or the costs of shipping. What you do is you recommend third-party products or services that you maybe use yourself, or that you know that your audience will benefit from. And then when someone buys via your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. And there are thousands of affiliate programs, so you won't be stuck for choice, that's for sure. And you'll be also building a legitimate business if you are doing affiliate marketing. It is a legitimate business. You're building your website. It is yours. No one can take it away from you. Well, I guess Google can, but I don't think Google will. So if you're looking to earn some extra cash or do some part-time work, or if you're looking for a way to leave your 9-to-5, then affiliate marketing might be just the thing. I'm a music teacher, and my motivation for starting affiliate marketing was that I wanted to stay at home with my small children. I have a boy and a girl who I just really wanted to spend my time with them and not to see them only on weekends. So I started my website a year ago when I didn't really know anything about internet marketing. I didn't know what affiliate marketing was to start with. But I train, I work every day, I study every day, and now I have a business that brings me enough income so I can stay at home with my children. It's really good. So if you are really looking for something like that, then passive income is what you're looking for. A way of earning where you're not just exchanging your hours for money. Because my website brings me income even if I'm at home. I don't know, if I'm feeling poorly, or if I have to stay at home with my children because they're not going to the nursery because they're feeling poorly, my website still works for me. It works for me 24/7, 365 days per year, and it is a wonderful business model. I'm not saying that you don't have to work. You have to work. At the beginning, you need to be prepared to work for free until you establish your website, but it is well worth the effort. I guarantee you that. So if you're looking for training in affiliate marketing, I recommend that you try out my #1 recommended program for affiliate marketing. I shall leave the link in the description, so click on that and that will take you through to create your free account. You get 1 week full access to the platform. You get 20 lessons in affiliate marketing for free. You get 2 websites for free and hosting. So by the end of these lessons, you have your site, your business set up, ready to be taken on to another level. Now, I'm promoting all this free stuff, but here's a disclaimer to say that some time down the line, you will have to invest a little bit of money onto maybe going to upgrading to a premium membership where you get access to all the training and all the time. There are no upsells. If you pay yearly, then your premium membership costs less than $1 per day. An amazing deal. But anyway, even if you think that right now you can't afford it, come and have a look. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. I will be there also as your personal coach. If you need any help, I'll be there to help you. And also there's a community of over, I think, 100,000 successful affiliate marketers who will answer any of your questions that you might have in regard of either writing content for your website or building your website. Whatever you need to know, you will get the answer to. So, I hope to see you there. And if you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye.